Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first let's open Google, then go to the browser that you're using, and in my case it's Google Chrome. Click on the More icon. Click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History. Here you will notice Clear Browsing Data. Simply tap on this switcher, and now you can select what you would like to wipe, so it can be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and autofill form data. I will pick them all, and then you can also open the data from past hour, past day, past week, last 4 weeks, or from the beginning of time. And as I want to fully clear browsing data, I will pick the last option, and finally you simply have to tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from the beginning. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.